So children, this video is for the chapter Some Application of Trigonometry, exercise 12.1, the 7th question. The question is like that. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the transmission tower fixed on top of a 20-meter high building are 45 and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower here. So, as I told you, first we'll draw the figure. So very important, this chapter, how to draw the figure. So figure goes wrong, the problem only goes wrong. So we'll draw the ground here. Okay. So from a point on the ground, some point on the ground, let us consider this point as A, some point on the ground. So this line what we have drawn, that is the ground. The angle of elevation, bottom and top of a transmission tower which is fixed on top of a 20-meter high building. So there is a building. This is a building here. The height of the building is 20 meter. Okay, the height of the building is 20 meter here. So there is a tower which is fixed on top of the, let us take BC is the height of the building. So and there is a tower on top of the building. So let DB is the tower here. Okay, so the angle of elevation. So the angle of elevation from the ground. So there is no horizontal line, is same as the ground. So to the top of to the bottom and first take your bottom as this bottom of the tower. So we will draw from A to B. This is the bottom of the tower. So the angle of elevation here, this is 45 degree. So it, and for the top of the building and top of the transmission tower is 60 degree. So from here, top of the transmission is D. So we'll draw. Sorry. So let us take this point as D. So this is 60 degree. Okay. So to find the height of the tower. So what is given here? Let BC be the height of building, that is BC is equal to 20 meter. Angle of elevation is 45. Angle of elevation is 45 and 60 degree. So to find here, to find height of tower, that is DB here. That is DB. You have to find it. Now, if you see, now we have to identify the right angle triangles. Very important here. You see the two right angle triangles here, ACD and ACB. So to get DB does not belong to any right angle triangle. It just belongs to triangle ABD, which is not a right angle triangle. So to get DB, we have done the sixth problem, same type of problem. To get DB, what to do? Find out the length of DC minus BC. BC already we know. What is BC? Already we know it is 20. So if you find DC here, then we can subtract 20 meter BC and get what is the length of DB. So for that, to find your DC in triangle A, we should take, because bigger right angle triangle ACD. If you take either, we should know to find DC opposite side. Either we should know what is AC or AD. Hypotenuse or adjacent we should know. But we don't know both. So that we can find out from other right angle triangle. You see what is triangle ABC, other right angle triangle. So if you see, we know opposite, we can find adjacent. Hypotenuse, if we find that it is of no use, so we'll find the adjacent AC in this small triangle. Okay, so in triangle ABC, so here angle is 45 degree. So opposite is BC is opposite, AC is adjacent, so opposite and adjacent is, we know it is tan or cot also again. So we'll take tan. So tan 45 degree is equal to opposite. It is opposite divided by adjacent. So your opposite is nothing but BC and adjacent is AC. So tan 45, we know tan 45 value is 1. So 1 is equal to BC value is 20 divided by AC, we don't know. So cross multiply AC. AC into 1 is AC. So AC is equal to 20 meter. So we got AC. So that we can make use of this triangle in triangle ACD. So in triangle ACD, so again same. This is CD, we want to find the opposite. AC we know, we got that is adjacent. So again it is tan opposite. So tan 60 degree is equal to, I'll directly write down what is the opposite side. CD divided by adjacent is AC. Tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to CD, we don't know, we have to find out AC. AC value is 20. So cross multiply. So we'll get 20 into root 3 is equal to CD, or CD is equal to 20 into root 3 meter. So we got CD length also we got. So next we have to find what is the length of DB. So here DB, so DB length is nothing but CD minus BC. So CD is 20 root 3 minus BC is 20 already given. So we'll take 20 common. So we get root 3 minus 1 meter. So the height of transmission tower is 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter. Okay, so you can write on the conclusion. Therefore, the height of the tower is, transmission tower is 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter. Okay, children.